Hi, and welcome to another haul video. Today I'm going to share with you some interesting things I found at the Brass Armadillo. Let's get started. So our Brass Armadillo has lots of booths, lots of really cool things to find. You can find antiques, you can find toys, books, just anything you can think of they have at the Brass Armadillo. So I'm just going to take you along and show you what I found today. We're going to start off with items that I thought would fit this week's theme, and this booth had a bunch of sheep that I thought could go along with the Mary Had a Little Lamb prompt. I found this one had like a lot of little figures, and I actually walked around with these two fuzzy ones for quite a while. But then the eyes I thought were a little odd, so I put them back. Here are two more little lambs that are kind of cute, could be used for something. Here are some geese. There are lots of geese. They're really popular right now for people to decorate with geese. And so here is a booth that had some of those. Here was a book that I just thought looked interesting that could go along with the theme. Here is a little lamb similar to one I saw on Pinterest. You can turn into a pincushion. Here is a Humpty Dumpty holder of some kind. You could put something in there, and a little figurine for Humpty Dumpty. Here is an egg holder you could use as a jewelry holder. These little shoes, I don't know why, but they made me think of the little lady who lived in a shoe, and I thought a craft could be done with those to fit this week's theme. Here's another goose. I was kind of surprised at the price tag on this one. Here is a lamb, I think it's like a cake mold. And here are some more geese, a little basket that could be used. And then this isn't for this theme, but I just thought it was cool looking. A thing of jars, that could be fun. Another egg holder, this one's clear and glass, that could be fun. Some more geese, little wooden goose. This one just had a bunch of little geese, maybe some ducks mixed in there, some swans, but just to fit the theme. There are a lot of those. Here's some interesting finds. Anybody else still have their Beanie Babies? Because we thought they would be worth something. And then this booth I thought was cool. It had like everything you could want for crafting. They had yarn, they had embroidery hoops, they had embroidery floss and scrapbooking paper. Just, I'm gonna have to keep this booth in mind. Fabric scraps. Whenever I'm working on projects and I need some pre-loved items, I could hop over to this one. I thought this was neat also because sometimes I like to craft with some jewelry, and so I could just get a whole set of jewelry. That could be fun to dig through. Occasionally I find some Christmas village ideas, so I like that they had an assortment of different little houses. This globe reminds me of While You Were Sleeping. Have you guys seen that movie with Sandra Bullock? That's what this made me think of. I'm not a scientist, but these just seemed kind of cool, like something to have around if you are into science. And then here I saw an Atari. Did you guys have one of these growing up? And then here are some pieces of broken, what do you call that, glass that could be used for crafting. And just some Christmas light bulbs. Thought that was interesting. Here is an old cash register, or what do they call it? Yeah, cash register. And then these were some working goggles or glasses. I just thought those were cool looking. And then these interesting little Mickeys. I'm not sure where they're from or what, but I thought they were cool. And a Skipper doll holder. Here's a little Bozo the Clown. I remember watching him on the weekends. And then I thought these May Day bags were such a cute idea. They could be used anytime. And then cookie jars. We don't have one, but I kind of wish we did. I think these ones are cute. Lots of different types of cookie jars. I might have to pick one up sometime. Alright, the first thing I have here is a picture frame. I actually had this in a stack of things I was going to donate because I have gone through some spaces in my house, and I'm going to share some of my pre-loved items with other people. But I saw this and I was like, oh, I wanted a frame. So I got this from my own stuff, my own collection, I guess. And then this I saw while I was out at a garage sale. And it's just this Mother Goose book. And so I picked this up. I want to say she was selling them for $2. And she had a ton of golden, what do you call these? Little golden books. And so I just thought this was appropriate because it was Mother Goose. So I picked this up. There's Mary Had a Little Lamb. And then these I found, I want to say Salvation Army. They've kind of been painted on already, but that's okay. I can paint over them. I like that they're different shapes and they're wood, because remember I want to use these as attribute eggs so that they can be sorted in different ways. And you can see here I picked these up for $5. Alright, next I found these Goose figurines at with the brass armadillo. I just need to wash them off. But for this set of 3, it was $12. And then I found these really cute blocks. So this looks just like the idea from Pinterest. It's already completed. And they are nursery rhymes from Mother Goose. And so I just thought these were cute. These were $5 a piece. A little more than I would want to spend, but it just matched my theme so perfectly. And so I picked those up. I was searching and searching for a little bed and I found this little plastic one. I was kind of hoping for a wood toy one, but most of the toy furniture for little toy houses were a collection, and all I wanted was a bed. So I figured I could paint this and make it what I want it to be. And here is a little clock. Here's a little sticker. I'm pretty sure I got this from a garage sale and held on to it because I've been wanting to do a project like this. I don't even know if this bed is gonna fit in there. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But here is the alarm clock I'm going to attempt to turn into a little play place for a little felt mouse. So here is my haul for this week's thrifting challenge, Mother Goose. I'm excited to put these projects together and share them with you. If you guys like this video, please like, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video where I share with you my completed projects, how I think they went. I will rank them with 5 stars, and I will share with you how to do them in case you like how they turn out. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!